Hey, this will be a video chart on THRR, Thresher Industries Incorporated. I've been getting quite a few requests on this one and pulling up the chart today. It's been doing some good things. The reason I have it kind of scrunched off to the side like this is with E-Signal, these two fat finger trades or whatever they were kind of really screws things up. So instead of having it be all tight like that, if we go like that, we can kind of see more what's going on in the short term. And that's the main focus of this video anyway, so that's what's important. Now the first thing that sticks out when I pulled out this chart was I saw the 50-day, which I knew was going to be a key support. And sure enough, look at this. Price came down here, and it did a great job of acting as support. And that's always a key sign. That's something good to see because when you see stocks come down and they approach a key moving average like this, and then the price just keeps on going down through them, then that's kind of one of those signs where you just got to throw up the white flag and say, all right, it looks like this chart's done for the time being. That was not the case here. Price came down, got below it, but then by the end of the day had bounced back up, and now today you got some follow through. So overall, if you were to calculate from the low here all the way up to the high, I'm guessing that's probably at least a 30-40% move, and that's what you want to see. You want to see that when the price gets down towards levels that should be able to hold, that should be an attractive price level, you want to see people buying, and that was the case here, because obviously if people weren't buying, it would have never been able to get back up as far as it did. The other nice thing, besides that 50-day simple moving average being there, was we had this previous low right there too, which was based at 0.0012. Once again, yes, the price did drop below it, but when we're talking about from the daily chart perspective, we care about where did the price close. And obviously it closed above, therefore this remains support. So this area right here, we have both a 50-day, we have this previous low, was supposed to be a thick area of support, and it acted just like it was supposed to, showing that the bulls still do have plenty of buyers and so forth in here. Now going forward, still work to be done. Don't get me wrong. We're not out of the woods yet. We still have the little short-term guys up here, the blue and gold line. The blue being the 10-day simple moving average, the gold being the 20-day. You can see that they knocked the price back down today. That's going to be the next key area of resistance that the bulls need to get through. It was good to see that they showed some life today. My one complaint about the day would be the volume. On a nice green day like this where it starts to push upwards, I would have liked to have seen more volume, but at the same time, you can look at it as, well, had all this volume, made a nice recovery, and now look, it's not taking that much volume to push it up and make percentage gains. But nonetheless, I'm a big volume guy, so I'd rather see just some big volume coming in, which shows that a lot of people are pouring in. But at the same time, by no means does that mean the chart's bearish or anything like that. It's just kind of me nitpicking at things. Now in terms of resistances, besides our two moving averages here, the key area that I think will kind of really set things off if the price can get up there is this level right here, which is at 0.0021. Now why am I choosing that level? Well, let's look back through some recent history of the chart. You can see about 6 days here acted as resistance. You go back here, another 4 days, the price was getting knocked down there. So 0.0021, if it can get through there, that really sets things off in terms of resistance levels. You can see that basically after that, the next resistance levels aren't until these two highs up here, which are at 0.003. So that's a very big move percentage-wise. So that's going to be the key area that the bulls want to get through. But overall, nice end to the week. You got the bounce on Thursday. Today you got some follow-through. Now next week the focus will need to be getting above these resistances right here, the 10 and 20 day moving averages, and then more importantly, getting above this 0.0021 level. And if that can happen, I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart because that would mean things are getting pretty exciting around here. If there are any other questions on the chart, please shoot me a message. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety of something for everybody. We've been making some good money together on our selections. So I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up for the newsletter, and see what it's all about. One last time, this was THRR. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekend.